How to connect Hostinger domain to Google Sites. If you want to connect a Hostinger domain to Google Sites, let's say you have a domain purchase in Hostinger and you would like to connect them to a Google site that you created, you can simply open up sites.google.com and go to the site editor page of whatever else it is that you're trying to find, right? So once you've done that and then you're on this page, you will see this type of interface right here. So what I have to do to basically go ahead and then add it is to simply click on the gear icon from the top right, which is the settings icon. And as I've done that, you can see this option that says custom domains. All I have to do is simply go to the custom domains option right there. And as I go to custom domains option, here you can see this make your site easier to remember with the custom domain like. So click on start setup, simply paste the domain that you have from Hostinger, and once then you can hit the next button, verify the ownership of the domain. And once you've done that, you'll be able to copy the name servers, the DNS addresses, and then you'll be able to set up your domain. This way you'll be able to connect hosting your domain to Google Sites. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.